Introduction: Starting Your New Life in Portugal. Hi, I'm Liz Bob. Welcome to this course on starting your new life in Portugal. If you're here, it means you're ready to take an exciting step, and I'm here to guide you through every part of the journey. Moving to Portugal is more than just a relocation. It's an opportunity to embrace a completely new lifestyle, filled with sunshine, culture, and unique experiences. But as thrilling as it is, the process can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you don't know where to start. That's where I come in. I've been helping people like you make their dream of living in Portugal a reality for years. And in this course, I'm sharing everything you need to know to ensure a smooth and successful transition. We'll cover the essentials, the paperwork you absolutely need to prepare before leaving, how to find a home that suits your lifestyle and budget, navigating things like banking, healthcare, and settling into your new community. Preparation is the key to avoiding unnecessary stress and unexpected costs. Whether you're moving for work, retirement, or simply to enjoy a better quality of life, this course will give you the tools and knowledge you need to hit the ground running. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's begin this exciting journey together. By the end of this course, you'll feel confident, prepared, and ready to enjoy everything Portugal has to offer. Let's dive in.